So how Power BI works with bidirectional filtering is basically it goes to your sales table, which is your fact table in this case. So my I'm trying to see the yearly progression. So which is why I just had to create this year column. So this was just created in my fact table. Then I created a unique list of this product key because it's a fact table. So what Power BI does is it extracts that unique list of the product key. So what it does is basically, so for each year so I'm going to 2007. For example, 1670 occurs twice. So Power BI does not lift the multiple occurrences of this product key. It just creates a unique list, so which is why I have 60, 70 here. So from this unique list, it then filters your product table to only show the products that are contained in this list. Then it runs whatever tax measure you are running. So in my instance, I'm just using a count of the number of products. So for 2007, for 2008 also, the unique list changes. Same thing for 2009, it changes also, and these things are like done in seconds. So it does. So mine is just I click and show, but it does this in seconds.